Nice fish on. Oh, buffalo scale. Not a very big one. Man, that was pulling pretty hard. Oh, there we go. That's what I came out here for. It's a little walleye. Not the one we want. Looking for something a bit bigger. Little drum. And fishing for walleye, you just can't help but snag all these drum and buffalo. And you can see on the ground, it's just littered with fish. Just people snag them and just leave them on the ground to rot. Another drum. Another drum. Oh, got him in the mouth, not in the side or the fin. Pretty nice sized one. So you can see it's pretty tough to fish sometimes in the river, especially right now in the middle of winter. It seems like every fish is just hugging the bottom, so you'll snag a lot of them by accident. But I did get that one walleye on my new rod, and just want to say thanks to G Money Strong for that. I just got this in the mail yesterday, this bill blade kit, which I'll try and put on my hat right now. Alright, so that was just terrible. The instructions said cut the outside, and he meant the inside of the curve, and I cut the outside, so kinda ruined this one hat, but that's okay. It's a pretty cheap hat. I tried it on this one, so if you're gonna get one of these, I recommend you try it out on not your favorite hat. But since I got it, it works pretty good. Shank. Yeah, so that was one of the prizes I got from the G Money Strong fishing contest. The other was the rod that I was using in that video. Well, one of them. The eyelets kept freezing because they're so small on those St. Croix rods. Fishing below freezing just makes the eyes ice up pretty quick. But I really wanted to catch something on that, and the bass fishing hasn't been that great for me. I've seen a couple guys catching some bass, but it's been pretty slow out there. Pretty much caught everything but a bass on that rod. I got big mouth buffalo, my personal best. I got a whole mess of quillbacks, catfish, drum, and that walleye. But I'll get a bass at some point. It's a pretty sweet rod overall. I mean, that big mouth buff was like 12 to 15 pound range, and man, it put up a fight. Probably better than any bass I'll ever have on that rod. So yeah, I'd just like to thank G Money Strong for the contest and the rod, and Bill Blades for sponsoring the contest. Their video on how to put it on isn't the best, but once you get it on, it's pretty sweet, and it's always good to have another weapon on you.